Hello? Are we recording? Damn, I think we're recording.
Oh.
Anyway guys, Luigi left 5 minutes ago, so you're not really going to see him.
Yep, he went somewhere. So we don't have an actor for Luigi anymore.
I said begin!
Baby.
Alright, today I got a new job as a personal chef because I got fired because I held a knife as a police officer. Alright, Yoshi, why did you come into my kitchen?
Because I want to get a job. But, you know, cooking.
Okay, but why don't you just take a packet of chips or something and then I can teach you how later today when I'm not so busy.
I want minis! It's empty! I want jumpies!
But there's a few crumbs in there.
One? Are you serious?
Oh, sorry, yeah, that was my packet where I saw you out of jumpies.
Give me something that's full! You're fine, I'll go get my own stuff. I'll be back for training.
By the way, guys, we're not sponsored by Jumpies. Hey, do you want some toast?
No! I'm back from my training. I got my food.
Okay, cook that toast. Cook that toast.
What are you guys doing now?
Can I have Coke?
Well, mate,
We've got none.
I'll just get back to this then.
Hey, turn it off. This is someone else's toast. Guys, the toast was smoking. I'm kidding, it's not, it's okay.
By the way, guys, get these at Woolworths. You can get them at Woolworths.
And get this at Woolworths too.
Okay.
Alright, you need to make nuggets for me. Alright.
Hey
Also-
guys, it's Luigi!
Also, by the way, guys, I literally just made nuggets. And yeah, I'm trying to get a badge in Scouts. By the way, go join Scouts now, or you're fired.
Think it's only in Australia, guys.
No, there's Scouts all over. Oh, there's Scouts all over the world.
Hey guys, it's Luigi!
Oh yay, he's back, Luigi. You didn't tell me where you were going. Show me your butt.
I went to Tasmania and came back.
But you didn't tell me, so show me your butt. I'm gonna burn it with this thing.
Nope.
Fine.
Stop, Luigi's gone! Luigi is gone!
Where?
To Tasmania.
I'm going to still burn someone.
Ah!
boys, what are you doing in the kitchen? Get out, come on. You don't need any in the kitchen.
We're not doing anything.
Come on out of the kitchen. Where's the apple there?
Yeah, guys, we just got banned from the kitchen, so this is the end of this episode.
Yeah, I know it was short. Goodbye.
See you.